She call me Luda, bitch, I roll out with my shooters. She wanna fuck me in a Plymouth Barracuda. I got my gun on, yeah, she know.
Alright guys, so welcome to my brand new video. My name is Mima433 and today we're going to be talking about how to get better for performance while you're live streaming on Twitch or YouTube or even Mixer. I don't even know if Mixer still exists, using Streamlabs OBS. So yeah, but just before we start the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow me on Twitch, follow me on TikTok, follow me on all the other platforms. I'll leave all the links in the description, and yeah guys, I would really appreciate you subscribing and following me on Twitch. Yeah, thank you guys. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to the bottom left corner, click settings. You don't need to touch anything in general. Go to stream, link your Twitch account here as you can see, or your YouTube or Facebook account, but you need to have Prime for it, which is kind of annoying. So yeah, video bitrate, put your video, I don't know why this is saying alright, just put your video to 2.5k. Put encoder to NVEC, that's really important. Put recording quality, high quality, medium sized files, that works for me the best in my opinion. So yeah, put MP4, that's important. Put in hardware, NVEC again, and yeah, for audio you don't really need to touch anything, but if you want to you can. The only thing you really need to do here is set up your mic. So yeah, just set up your mic, whatever it's called, and then put the frequency, I can't fucking speak, sorry, my bad. So yeah, just put on 44.1. Yeah, that should be alright. Alright, next thing, go to video, and if you have a good PC or a decent PC, I will suggest you try and stream it in 1080p with both, and if it doesn't work, then just try streaming in 720p, and if it still lags, then put the FPS down. Personally, it works best for me on 24 FPS and 720p on both. It is a bit blurry, but yeah, I can't really do anything about it. Hotkeys, you don't really need to touch anything, but if you wanna, you can. You can make a hotkey for start stream, stop stream, record, and all that stuff. So yeah, for the advanced settings, put processing thing to normal. That works the best in my opinion. Put color format to NV112, color space on 601, color range on Portal, and yeah, do you really need to touch anything else? I don't think. So yeah guys, if this video did help you out, make sure to hit that follow button, subscribe, and yeah guys, till next time guys, peace.